Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of onmysite.com, the laboratory earliers.injurylawyers.com, and on this website we are going to learn about liability determination. How is liability determined in a ride sharing accident? So this is the most important this is the most important topic when it comes to insurance coverage of accidents. So let's start and let's determine how we can go for it. Liability is determined in a ride sharing accident by confirming whether the ride share driver caused the accident, whether the ride share driver was actively using the ride sharing app when they got into the accident, whether other parties were involved in or contributed to the cause of the accident. A car accident lawyer can investigate to determine if the at-fault driver, their employer, or a third party participant is liable for the damage you incurred in a ride-sharing accident. This article goes into further detail about about the nuances of rideshare accident liability and whose insurance policy might cover an accident. So you must First, determine we first determine if the rideshare driver was working at the time. If a rideshare driver caused your accident in a Lafayette, one of the ways liability is determined by confirming if the driver was working at the time. Ride-sharing companies, also known as transportation network companies and TNCs, must ensure their drivers if they are involved in an accident while performing ride-sharing services. Liability for these accidents may depend on how the rideshare driver was engaged with the ride-sharing app during the accident. Consider the following scenarios. The rideshare app is off or the driver is not logged on. If the driver has yet to log on to the rideshare app to begin working or is not logged in while driving, the rideshare company is not liable for any accident the driver may cause. In these situations, rideshare drivers will have to refer to their own auto insurance company for the liability coverage. The rideshare driver has the app on and is waiting for a rider. Once the driver begins engaging with the rideshare app, the ride-sharing company begins to have some liability if the app is on, but the driver has not received a ride request. An accident victim may contact the driver's personal auto insurance company first. However, if the driver's personal policy does not cover them, the ride-sharing company may cover the accident up to the policy limit. The rideshare driver is actively picking up or transporting a passenger. If the driver was on their way to pick up a passenger or actively giving a passenger a ride, the ride-sharing company's insurance policy should cover the accident. If a third party caused your ride-sharing accident, you might pursue compensation from their insurance company instead. Now, determining liability helps you understand whose insurance company to connect. Lithuania revised statuses 45 by 201.6 mandates that T&Cs and drivers their drivers both have insurance policies if an accident is if an accident occurs. Uber and Lyft post general policy limits websites websites, but these values are subject to change. Based on your accident scenario, you might pursue compensation from the rideshare driver's insurance company. If the rideshare driver was off duty or not logged into the app, you may pursue compensation from their auto insurance as if they were a non-commercial driver on the road. Filing an insurance claim may allow you to cover compensation for your collision related medical expenses and property damages. The rideshare company's insurance coverage. If Uber or Lyft is determined to be liable for your accident, they may be compelled to provide coverage for your medical bills, property damage, and other losses. Ride-sharing companies must also be provide uninsured motorist (UM) or uninsured motorist (UIM) coverage if an involved party is not sufficiently insured. Other types of insurance coverages may help, which your lawyer can discuss in more detail. A third party's insurance company. If a third party insurance was liable for your insurance company was liable for your accident, you might pursue compensation from them via an insurance claims or personal injury lawsuit. Third party in rideshare accident might include another motor vehicle driver, the maintenance company that last worked on the vehicle. If a vehicle malfunction led to the accident, the malfunction company of the at-fault vehicle. If the vehicle's design was defective and led to the accident, a municipality. If hazardous roads conditions led to the accident. This is all. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next one. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.